Hello! We got this in the mail and I'm so excited to share it with you. I posted like a few weeks ago, or maybe a month or so ago, the cookies that my mom makes, and these are cookies that she's been making for years, and it's kind of like a gift that she'll give to people, and it's kind of a signature recipe now. We also have been working on just developing different recipes, especially local recipes, and my mom does a lot of baking, especially since she has been retired now for almost 2 years. And my role in it is I take pictures of things and then I just like document the recipe. And now that we have so many different recipes on our blog that we've been doing for like 5 years now, we want to just bring all of that together and create a cookbook for you guys. And then we also want to create just like special recipes specifically for the cookbook that you can only get in the cookbook. So in partnership with Wholesale Unlimited, we are so excited to develop a couple new recipes with some of their products and some of their offerings. And they also sent the furikake Chex Mix, they also sent the ingredient that my mom uses, which is like the furikake Chex Mix ends or bits and pieces. And so we like to incorporate the bits and pieces because that's one way that we can be really green and eco-friendly, of course, and limit food waste. But also it's just like a fun addition to the flavor profile that you don't usually get. So I'm gonna open this box. They just sent it and it is fragile, so let's see. I know a couple of the things that they mentioned that they were gonna get for us or give to us, and I'm excited to see the other selections or favorites that they decided to send. And thank you so much to Kai for this amazing box. Before I even open it, I know it's gonna be amazing. And also, they are friends or cousins with my friends from law school, and we were at the same wedding like last month. So crazy. Such a small world, but a smaller island. And let's see what we've got. Oh, looks good. So far, mama. All right, we got almonds crunch. Have you tried this, mommy? You like it? Oh, perfect. Okay, we've got pistachio crunch.
I like that.
Oh, you like this one? Okay.
That's my favorite.
Oh, this is my mom's favorite, which she didn't request because they also were so kind to ask us if there was anything in particular that we wanted. So I think my mom put in an order for something else, but that wasn't it. This, I want to try this. Li Hing Fuji apples. If you know, it's kind of not focusing, but if you know me, you know that my favorite apple is Fuji. All right, seedless cream peach plum. Is this what you ordered? Yeah, so my mom wanted this. And this is like Wholesale Unlimited. If you don't know, they have locations like across Oahu. Is it across Hawaii as well? Across Oahu, and then they have like a wholesale main store here in Waipahu, and it's amazing. They have all sorts of local like arare, crack seed things. So here's an oriental mix. And then this is what my mom wanted. The furikake Chex Mix. And then they also sent another one that they had. Yay! Okay, I think that's it. Awesome. And then they just packed it with like some newspapers so that everything came really like well intact and not, you know, crushed. Surprisingly, like, look how well everything came. Anyway, thank you so much, Wholesale. So stay tuned to see what we make, and then also make sure that you go to our Substack and you subscribe so that you get all of our new recipes, all of our updates and posts that come out monthly or more frequently if we are up to it. So hope to see you there. Bye. Here's everything.